Boom, hello guys, it's Rambi back to another video, and today I want to show you how to play Fortnite for Android with your Bluetooth controller or cable controller. I'm using a DualShock 3 right now, but if you want you can use also Xbox One, the PlayStation 4 controller or whatever. So this method is free. You don't need to buy anything, you don't need the root, you just need to follow my indication and that's it. I'll do the tutorial with my Note 8, but I guess that if you can play Fortnite on an Android device, you can also follow this method. So hope that this will be helpful guys, and follow my indication. So okay guys, the first thing to do is obviously make sure that you can play Fortnite. So go over and download Fortnite and try to play it. I'm gonna to click start and we will wait for it. So as you can see guys, Fortnite is working right now. So I'm gonna to try to play a game. And as you can see guys, if we want we can play Fortnite on Android, but that it's okay. So I'm gonna to exit from here. So the second thing to do is to go over the link in the description. I saved it somewhere here and download this app. Gonna to click download and download, yes. I'm gonna to wait, open, then install, wait for it. Okay, now open it. We are going to click OK, allow, and wait for the application to install. So, okay, click on settings, click allow from this source. Okay, go back, install, and click open over here. So now we are going to allow this free stuff, and as you can see in my games it will be Fortnite right there. Sorry, it wasn't on focus. Yeah, I guess that it's okay. Anyway, as you can see now in my games there is Fortnite. And here we go. So once that we are done here, we can go back in the home screen and uninstall Aptoide here. So uninstall, okay, perfect, and wait for it. Now we need an OTG that is basically micro USB. This is type C and this is the USB normal. A normal cable and obviously our controller. So I'm gonna to remove this one, close this, put this one here. Okay, so we need to plug the OTG inside the cable and plug the cable inside the DualShock. So I'm gonna to put my smartphone over here. Then we need to plug this one into the smartphone. So I'm going to plug it. Perfect. And as you can see, the light here turn on. So now we need to go in our menu, in the octopus here. Click over Fortnite. Allow this permission. Go back. Click over Fortnite and wait for it. So click allow here. And as you can see now guys, we have all these little buttons here. So basically the octopus will do an overlay layer over the game and we can interact with that overlay with our controller. So we are going to wait right now. Okay, we are almost done. Now we have to log in. I'm gonna to log in right now. Sometimes we have this problem, but we just need to click OK. And if there is any problem, just redo all this stuff 2 or 3 times and it will work. So I'm gonna to click over the dedicated button. Okay, select, got it. Go over the lobby, and if I click right here, I'll start the game. Or not. So I guess that we need few seconds. So just try to detach the controller and retouch it. Just let me try to close everything and open Octopus again. Click over FORTNITE. I told you sometimes it doesn't work, but if you manage to start one time, this will work every time possible. So okay, it worked. I clicked the R1 and it played. So I'll show you guys, just one moment. I can also zoom a little bit in. So let me do something. Maybe. Okay, my battery is almost. Okay, now it's cool. So I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put the smartphone on focus. Okay. So as you can see, guys, I can control everything here. I can jump, I can fire. Let me find a gun. So no, I don't need the wood. Okay, so anyway, damn it. Sorry. I'm gonna okay, lovely. I'm gonna jump. Okay, as you can see, everything is working. And I wanted to show you that we can go around, we can fire, we can do everything. So let me just. Okay, here seems cool. Let me go somewhere else. Maybe over there. Yeah, seems okay. So I don't want to die just right now. I wanted to show you something before. And let me just go over there. Okay, cool. Let me go out here. And here. I'm gonna pick this up. And this one as well. So for change, I guess that you have to. Okay. And let me go somewhere and search for someone. Okay, here a guy. Oh, he's in my squad. I wanted to try to kill someone. Or anyway, guys, as you can see, everything is working just fine. I can aim, I can fire, I can jump, I can do whatever. So guys, there you have it. You can now play Fortnite with your controller over the Android Hope that this video was helpful. If you wanna know if you can or cannot play Fortnite on the older Android device, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll try something to make it run on all devices. So I have my Note 5 somewhere. Sorry guys. So I was saying I have my Note 5 and I will try to run Fortnite over here if you want. So let me know in the comments below and see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.